Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
In spite of the COVID pandemic running its course for the second consecutive year, the gross state domestic product estimated at the current price for the year 22-23 is estimated at the rupees 91,416.98 crores, indicating the growth rate of 7.07%. Goa's per capita income at a current price continues to be the front runner in the country at the rupees 5.80 lakhs. आर्थिक वर्ष 2022-23 खातीर अर्थसंकल्प 24,467.40 कोटीचो आसतलो. हातूंतलो महसुलाचो वांटो 17,097.50 कोटी आनी भांडवली वांटो 7,369.90 कोटी इतलो आसतलो. व्याजाची परतफेड करून 434.30 कोटी महसुली शिल्लक उरतली असो आमकां विश्वास आसा. आमी गोवा सरकारी कर्मचारी विमा योजना चालीक लावपाचें थारायलां. लायफ इन्शुरन्स मनोहर पर्रीकर कल्याण निधी स्थापन करून पंचायती आनी नगरपालिकेच्या विशेष प्रकल्पांक आर्थीक सहाय्य दिवपाची आमी तरतूद केल्या. द एलोकेशन टू द हेल्थ सेक्टर हॅज बीन इन्क्रीज्ड टू रुपीज 1,970.20 crores, which is a 12.86% above the allocation given in the previous year. We are starting DM and MCH courses in the super specialty, which is the first of its kind in the state. Starting a cardiac cath lab for the heart patient in the South Goa District Hospital is underway. The neurosurgery unit in the South Goa District Hospital will be commissioned soon. Speaker sir, I propose to open 2 critical care blocks of the 50 bed each at a GMC and a South Goa District Hospital with the outlay of 23 crores each from PM ABHIM. Our state will be the first state in the country to achieve the real-time monitoring of water supply system, and tender is already invited for the implementation in this financial year. जण एकल्या गोंयकाराक आपल्या हक्काचें घर मेळप शक्य जावपा खातीर गोंय सरकार प्रयत्नशील आसा आनी ह्याच विचारांतल्यान होम लोन इंट्रेस्ट सबवेन्शन स्कीम चालीक लावपाक थारायला आनी हाज्या खातीर 20 कोटीची तरतूद केल्ली आसा. माय गव्हर्नमेंट हॅज सिम्प्लिफायड द स्कीम द गोवा स्टेट इंटरिम कॉम्पेन्सेशन ऑफ द रोड एक्सिडेंट विक्टीम, which the objective is to provide the financial assistance to the road accident victim irrespective of the insurance covered enjoyed by them. An amount of rupees 150 crores has been provisioned for this scheme. उद्योग, खाणी, रोजगार, माहिती आणि तंत्रज्ञान ह्या चारूय खात्यांक 340.93 कोटीची आमी तरतूद केल्या. My government is serious on attracting the employment generating investment in Goa. We have earmarked 3.75 crores for the various initiatives in the Goa Investment Promotional and Facilitation Board. ह्या वर्सा शेती, पशुपालन आणि मत्स्य उद्योग खात्याक 567.26 कोटीची भरीव तरतूद हांवें केल्या. We are providing the loan up to rupees 3 lakh to the farmer for the agriculture purpose, 0% rate interest. कोंकणी अकादमी, मराठी अकादमी, दालगदा अकादमी, कोंकणी भाशा मंडळ हांच्या खातीर आवश्यक ती आर्थीक तरतूद केल्या. पर्यटन खात्याक ह्या वर्सा 247.16 कोटीची आर्थीक तरतूद आमी केल्या. In this year, I do not propose to levy any additional taxes on our Goan, but I will work thoroughly to get more reforms in the various revenue generating departments. Over this year, I have realized that increasing the revenue does not necessarily to imply the increasing the taxes, but plugging the revenue leakages and undertaking the reforms which will crucially the expenditure on the redundant activities.